nagbabalik si Cebuana Maris, Filipina Life in Ireland. Nandito kami ngayon sa town. Pupunta kami sa shop. Bibili kami ng chandelier, guys. Tulungan nyo kami, ha. So today is Friday. Malamig na dito sa Ireland, guys. Kita nyo, malaki na yung coat ko. Is that right, my love?
That's right.
See you guys. Ano guys, pasok na tayo sa shop kung saan makikita ang mga chandelier. Meron silang coffee shop dito, guys. Social lang coffee shop dito, guys. Ito yung gusto natin, guys. Mga bagay na ating i-design sa bahay. There's a chicken that he wants to see, baby. There's a chicken. Chicken.
That's your chicken. What do you do with that? You take that chicken home?
Gusto niya talaga ang chicken, guys. Put it back, baby. Put it back. Put it back. Yeah, there's a beach. Sa bungiro nga, yung batang ito. I think he wants to be a cockfight, baby.
No.
Be careful. Be careful.
Look over here. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh God. Kailangan natin mag-ingat dito, guys. Kasi... Hi! Halloween.
Halloween.
Oh,
look. Scary.
Scary one. Oh my gosh.
Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you.
You're so funny. Come on, daddy. Come to daddy. Hold daddy. Hold daddy's hand. Kita nyo, guys, napakaganda dito, guys. Maraming mga magagandang display. At ito yung hinahanap namin, chandelier. Maliit lang yung hanapin namin, guys, kasi maliit lang yung bahay namin. So, which one do you like best?
They're all nice.
Yeah, they're all nice. Kailangan muna naming Uy, baby, be careful, baby. Laki ng sa mirror, oh. My love, so big, no? I know, it's so big. That's what I'm always saying. So fancy here, everything else. Look at this. Kailangan muna naming manood, guys, ha? Kailangan muna naming pumili sa kung anong pipiliin namin, guys. So, guys, tingin-tingin lang muna kami habang naghihintay ng assistant. Magaganda dito, guys, no? Social talaga dito, guys. So, ayan, guys. May napili na kami. Ayan, guys. Tingin-tingin tayo, guys, oh. Fancy talaga dito, guys, oh. Kita nyo ba? Fancy. Let's go over here. Come on. Tingin-tingin lang tayo, guys. Habang si MyLove ay nagbabayad ng chandelier namin napipili. Hi, Daddy! Oh, you got it there.
2 hours later.
Hi, guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa bahay at magluluto ngayon si Bebo. MyLove, magluluto ngayon si MyLove. What is the recipe?
The recipe is Irish stew.
Irish too, wow.
Yeah, and here we have our ingredients.
Okay, show the ingredients.
Some salt,
Salt,
gravy, pepper, and we have some pink potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and stewing beef.
wow.
And all that's going in here, the pot.
Big pot.
So our water is boiled, so we're going to start preparing this stuff, okay?
Yum, yum!
Okay, let's prepare the potatoes for the steamer. When they're cut up smaller, they cook faster. We're gonna keep the skins on these potatoes because more nutritious.
Okay.
Well, that's all the potatoes. Next job now is to peel the carrots. So, let's get started. We're going to steam all these first before we put them in the stew. So next we're going to do our mushrooms. Hold on a sec till I give them a quick wash. Just add the carrots to the mushrooms to the carrots. Okay. So here we have our carrots, mushrooms and potatoes. And we have our stewing beef here. So we're going to steam our vegetables first. And then I'm going to lightly fry the stewing steak. Okay, we're just adding the potatoes to the steamer.
Wow, lots of potatoes.
And now we're going to add the vegetables, carrots and mushrooms.
Yum yum.
I'm going to let them steam away for about 30 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to fry my stewing steak. Okay, we're just going to let you fry the stewing steak. Just going to add a little bit of flavouring here, a bit of pepper. And a little pinch of salt.
Yum yum. I love the stew. Stew is Irish food, yeah?
Yeah.
Irish, yeah?
Popular dish in Ireland is the stew. Everybody loves it.
Yum, yum, yum.
Maurice loves it. Nixon loves it.
Everybody loves it.
Everybody loves it. We're going to just fry this for a few minutes, and then we're going to put everything into the pot when the vegetables are finished. We're going to make the stew. This helps to seal in the flavour. A quick fry. We're tossing this about so we get all the salt and pepper mixed up.
Wow, vlogger na. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ayan guys, hintay-hintay lang tayo sa food na niluluto ni MyLove. Hintay-hintay lang tayo guys. Check natin. Ito yung beef na niluluto niya. Niluluto niya yan guys. Tapos yung vegetables nasa steam. Tsaka ito si MyLove. How's the food?
It's okay.
Waiting?
Just have some chocolate.
My gosh.
Oi, Hector.
Oh, Hickson wants to check too. Give us a... There's no chicken yet.
Here is the stewing beef. We're going to soon take it off because we just want to cook it lightly and seal in the flavour. There's also a lot of flavour in the juice here, so we're not going to waste anything. Everything's going into the stew. So I think I'll turn that off now. Okay, we're going to start making the gravy. So I boiled up some water. I think that's enough for now. I'm going to add some gravy.
Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo siya magluto. Okay?
Well, now we're going to add our stock. The more flavour the better, huh?
Oh yeah.
So, in that goes. We just okay, I'm just going to put this on a very low heat with the lid on and wait for the vegetables to cook, and then we'll add vegetables and meat. Okay, so got a gravy on here. I'm going to just add the meat, and then whenever the vegetables are steamed, we'll add them in as well. So there's a lot of flavour in the meat here as well. Just going to add that in here.
Oh my god.
And we'll just leave that on a low heat while we wait for the vegetables to cook, and then we'll add them. Time for more chocolate. Okay, I think the vegetables are finished now steaming, so we're going to add them to the stew.
Yum yum. Maybe just here.
Okay. That's the vegetables. Now we're going to add the potatoes.
Oh my god.
Lots of potatoes.
Iba talaga pag lalaki ang magluluto, no? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh.
we'll just...
Is the soup enough?
Yeah, there's loads of gravy here. Just have to mix the vegetables up along with the potatoes. And then we're going to turn the heat up here a little bit. Get a bit of heat into this. And then let them simmer for maybe half hour. So everything, all the juices, everything blends up. And then we have a nice big stew.
I really love the smell.
Oh yeah. This is very nice in when the cold weather in Ireland. Irish stew.
Yummers.
So now it's time to turn the heat up. Let them boil a little bit. And then let them simmer for maybe a half an hour or so.
Okay?
Just have to wait now.
Guys, update tayo sa food. Tingnan natin. Sarap niya, guys. Siya yung pinapaluto ko kasi mahirap tong lutuin, guys, para sa akin, napaka raming process. So, siya na magluluto para relax na lang ako, 'di ba? Ayan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung binila naming chandelier pagkatapos namin kumain, okay?
Just a little update. We've taken the lid off the stew, so we're gonna just let it reduce here for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and
What's wrong?
it's be very tasty. Okay.
Daddy's boy. Daddy's boy.
Daddy's boy is hungry. Right.
Daddy's
Stew
boy.
will be ready soon.
Yum.
Alright guys, the stew is ready. As you can see, the consistency is different now. It's nice and thick. Perfect for a nice cold day like today. Oh, everything is cooked really well and really slow, and all the flavors are blended now, so it's time to eat. Yum yum.
Yum, yum.
Yum yum. Everybody is hungry.
Yum, yum, guys.
Yum yum.
Thanks, my love. Guys, kakain na kami. Eto. Mers, kain na kami, guys. See you. Eating. Eating. Wow. That's hot. Be careful. Be careful. That's hot. That's so yum. That's for my love. Vegetables. Okay.
Everything. Okay.
2 hours later.
Hi guys! Update! Gabi na dito sa Ireland, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung binili namin. Oh, sorry. So, ito yung nabili namin, guys, na chandelier. You alright? Ito yung nabili namin, guys. Hindi pa namin siya ano ba yung tawag nito? Nailagay or sampay or I don't know what you call it. Kasi kailangan namin ng technician. So, yun lang yung update, guys. Kailangan na namin matulog kasi gabi na. Good night sa inyong lahat. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye! Hi guys! If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye!